chicken has arrived. Chicken run, chicken faster. We need you to run. Lay more eggs for ESC Global. I'm now inside one of the chicken coop. Guess what? Their first day of arrival have delivered me 2 eggs. What's it, man? Wow, good quality, fresh from the farm, sustainable living. Chicken run, chicken. We're going to take care of you so well that you're going to produce lots of eggs for us for the next 12 months. How about that? Now entering or inside chicken coop 2. Let's look at the chicken. Come on, chicken. Delivering us the first delivery. Yes, we got 1 egg here. Wonderful. So today, yeah, first day present to ESC Global with 3 eggs fresh from the farm. Let me. And this is the nest. Alright, this is where they will rest for the night. Hello, chicken.